Hi, Tigdawai, Jun Taliman here. I received today my preview from Samsung for purchasing the Samsung Note 20 Ultra during the promo period. So, it's the it's the Samsung air purifier. I think this is worth 16,000. So buksan natin and ito na siya ngayon after almost 2 months of use. Ang puting-puti na intake grill is now accumulating dust and dirt. The grill also served as an initial filter, blocking larger particles. The Samsung air purifier is taking the cudgels and sucking dirt in my apartment. Titingnan din natin ang filter sa loob kung ano na ang itsura. As I told you during the unboxing of this appliance, there are 3 filters inside. So we'll have this open. Okay. See that? Okay. And this is the filter. Tanggalin natin yung mga plastic strips here. Okay. Makikita niyo, marami siya ditong alikabok na nasa labas ng As I've said, this is a 3 steps purification system. So the first filter is the pre-filter, tinatawag na pre-filter, and this pre-filter is like the air filter of any air conditioning unit. Okay, this is washable. Kung titingnan nyo, ang dami ng dirt niya. So this is good for washing already. And meron dito, kita mo, ang kapal ng dirt. So I have to clean that. Then the second filter, itong black, this is the deodorizing filter or the carbon filter. So may carbon filter siya. Actually this is 2-in-1 filter. Nasa isang pakete lang. Sa likod nito, ito yung dust particle filter. Okay? This dust particle filters, itong puti, ay made of HEPA. So this is a HEPA filter. I-off muna natin kasi tinanggal natin ang filter. Okay? So this is a HEPA filter, and sabi ng Samsung, it can stop particulate matter with a size of 2.5 microns. So 2.5 microns, that's in diameter. Ganoon siya kalaki ang stop niya. Okay? But I will discuss later more about these HEPA filters and the carbon filter. And kung titingnan mo maigi to sa loob, may mga maliliit na pellets. So this is carbon pellets siya talaga. So ginagamit siya as filter for odor. Okay? So di natin ma-describe kung may kailangan ba siyang palitan na or hindi. Kasi the system mismo will advise us if kailangan na siyang palitan. Automatic siya mag-indicate dito na we have to replace the filter. When we replace this filter, itong dalawa agad palitan natin kasi naka-isang pack lang ito eh. Although, yung titingnan mo yung HEPA filters, may mga dirt na rin siya sa loob. And you cannot wash these filters, itong HEPA at saka itong carbon filter. Siguro, pwede natin i-brush na kung meron kayong brush na soft para matanggal yung alikabok niya. Okay? To prolong the life of the HEPA filters. Isa-isahin natin itong mga specs ng air purifier nito. The capacity is 34 square meters. This means this air purifier can cover an area about 34 square meters, and that's the size of a 2-bedroom condominium unit. Samsung has not mentioned about the CADR or the clean air device or clean air delivery rate. It only says this air purifier can cover 34 square meters, referring to the flat surface. Okay, so the CADR is a measurement of how much air with all the particles that were removed from the air. It is measured in cubic feet per minute or CFM, not in square feet. Okay, square feet or meter is the unit for the area, while cubic feet or meter is the unit for the volume. It means you measure the sides of the room and the height of the room, from the floor to the ceiling. This is because particulate matter is suspended in the air. So, yung particles ay hindi lang nasa flat surface at hihigupin ng air purifier. Hihigupin din nito yung particles na nasa hangin pa. Kaya, you have to measure the volume of air in a room. Okay? However, some say the CADR is not efficient in determining the efficiency of an air purifier because it is only applicable to particulate pollutants like smoke, dust, and pollen, but not on gases. And they also said that the CADR number only misled consumers into thinking they breathe clean air. Now, as shown earlier, Samsung air purifier has 3-step purification system. And there's no further arguments on the pre-filter. Alam na natin na it acts like the air filter in our air conditioning unit. Mga malalaking particles lang ang binablock ng pre-filter. Okay? So, i-discuss natin yung deodorizing filter at saka yung dust filter. Sabi ng Samsung, their aircon pellet filter reduces the various harmful gases like formaldehyde. This was proven in a laboratory testing in Korea, the Korea Conformity Laboratories or KCL, and other gases na ma-reduce nito are toluene, ito yung ang amoy niya is parang paint thinner, xylene, sweet odor to but flammable, benzene, ang vapor dito can irritate our eyes, our skins, and our throat. Then, meron ding gas na ethyl benzene, ito para tong amoy gasolina. And the styrene, ang odor nito is sweet odor. Okay? So, in the case of formaldehyde, it's amoy patay. Because formalin yan eh. So, pungent smelling ang formaldehyde. And we should also be careful of inside our houses and our homes and our rooms because the cabinets now, like this one, diba? The particle board there is emitting formaldehyde. Okay, so there's a formaldehyde there, so it's better to have in an air purifier in our room. Although maliit lang yung formaldehyde content ng galing sa mga cabinet particle board, but based on studies, meron siyang formaldehyde na konti. Okay, so now this air purifier has sensors to detect these gases and also for dust. Okay, so I made some experiments under different settings to test the sensors. I do not know yet how the air purifier reacts to the smoke from the mosquito coil. For now, I haven't seen any changes in the monitor, so probably it will take a while after the sensor sense the smoke from the mosquito coil. I-try natin mag-spray with this Lysol and tingnan natin ilang oras o ilang minuto siya mag-react. So nag-green na siya and now it turns yellow. Ganon siya kabilis. And now it turns red. So the sensor, the gas sensor, was able to detect the what do you call this, aerosol in the Lysol spray, the disinfectant spray. So ganon siya ka-efficient mag-detect. And that will run for a few minutes, and after that it will downgrade to yellow, then to green, and back to normal, which is blue. And depending on what you are cooking, the Samsung air purifier will also react accordingly. Sabi ng Samsung, its dust filter, which is a HEPA filter, can reduce over 99% of PM2.5, or the particulate matter 2.5 microns in diameter. It can extract large dust particles such as pollen, and it has been tested in KIMM, that's Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials. Sa Pilipinas, ito ang ating Bureau of Product Standards under the Department of Trade and Industry. And take note, Samsung never said it can block the coronavirus, because it can't. The coronavirus is 0.1 micron in size. Mas maliit pa yan sa buhok natin. And you need HEPA H10 to H14 to block 0.1 micron particles. Hindi sinabi ng Samsung kung anong level ng HEPA filter yung ginamit nila, but it says it can block 2.5 microns. So malaki yan. That's 2.5. People from the consumeranalysis.com, a website for consumer products review, says that the air purifier should be set at high level fan speed at all times, so that if ever there are particles or dust inside the room, it can be cleaned immediately. Because if we are going to set at automatic, there might be a possibility that the particles, the dust, and other pollutants that are already inside the room cannot be processed, and we might breathe the air that is already polluted. However, if you set the speed of the fan at high, just like this one, you can hear the sound of the fan. And that particular sound is a low frequency sound. We can hear that because it's still within our range. It's still above the 20 Hz limit for the low frequency. So not everyone can tolerate that. That particular sound is considered between moderate and soft as far as the noise level is concerned. It's a noise between a quiet library and a moderate rainfall. But personally, I got easily annoyed by that particular low noise. I don't know, maybe my ear is just so sensitive. So if I could hear that kind of sound, I feel I could not tolerate it longer. So I would rather tone it down a little, or maybe I could just set this fan to automatic, so that the machine will be the one to determine when it should go faster. So you see, I'm setting it back to auto and try to hear if there's a sound. There's no sound because the indicator here says that it is blue, and blue means the environment is clean. So that's why the fan is at its low speed. If the indicator here goes red, then the fan will go faster at higher speed. So not everyone like me, so you may turn on at all times the fan at high speed so that you will be protected at all times. And speaking of the auto mode, it senses the pollution level and automatically adjusts the power to maintain the optimum air quality, while the sleep mode provides a soft and quiet airflow. Here are some of the scenarios when the machine acted on its own depending on what is detected by its sensors. The indicators turns to red. It means the surroundings or my air inside my apartment is not good, and it's even polluted. Maybe I suspect that the smoke of the um, mosquito killer coil down there causes the maybe maybe it causes the sensor of this air purifier detects the smoke of the mosquito coil, which accumulated inside the apartment while I was outside, because the entire room was closed for about 2 hours. That's maybe only. I just suspected it. So after every morning, once I open the window, the indicator will turn to green from blue, which is good, although green is still normal, but it indicates that the environment, my air inside my apartment is somewhat like deteriorating, okay, although it's still considered as normal, and the air purifier is increasing its fan speed. Medyo malakas na siya. And although after a while, after a few hours, the indicator will go back to blue, so it will be good again, meaning the device has already purified or cleaned the air inside my unit. When it comes to its size and measurement, this air purifier is huge. It's above my knee and over a foot in wide. So this is a square shape with rounded corners. But it only weighs just a little over 8 kilograms. So pwede pang hand carry sa plane if not for its size. This is a 30-watt device, so it is only half of the consumption of a desk fan. I'm operating this air purifier 24/7, so I would consume 720 watts in 24 hours. Translating that to a Meralco bill, I am only paying less than 9 pesos a day. So that's sulit. So this particular model of Samsung air purifier is not a smart device. So I'm trying to check if my Samsung air purifier is capable of connecting to the SmartThing app. Does your device have icons for buttons? Spin. Okay. 5 seconds. Try natin. Oh, walang nag-appear. Wala. So, it's not compatible. Not compatible. Finally, here's the air purifier buying guide from consumeranalysis.com, and we'll see if the Samsung air purifier meets their criteria. First, particle filter type. It should be HEPA. Check. HEPA yung filter ng air purifier nito. Gas filter type, it should be carbon pellets. Check. Washable pre-filter. Check. CFM output, it should be 250 cubic feet per minute. Question mark, since Samsung didn't state that. Energy efficiency should be high. Check, it's only 30 watts. Noise output should be low, depending on your ear sensitivity, okay? Value, it should be good to great. Check. Personally, I should say it's great because this air purifier is given to me free. Okay, so the final verdict is yours. Tell me about it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click that notification bell. Daghang salamat. Ako si Jun Tariman. High Tech Tabay!